I'm Bill, I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Buttonwillow Raceway, and welcome back a new collection of motorcycles. Generally, we have the Ducati Panigale V2. Unfortunately, the Panigale is in the shop, so Bogna is on the new 22 Panigale V4S today. And well, you haven't seen this out much. This is the 22 S1000RR. We've got it out today for a test against my trusty 2016 BMW S1000RR, and we're going to be taking these back-to-back sessions. We're going to be first out on the S1000RR. We've got the suspension all set up, tire pressures all set up, so we've got some good flyer laps for you on this one. Then we're going to switch over to the 2016 and see how we do on this. Now, you guys may have already seen the 2016. I did my fastest personal best here at Buttonwillow with a I think 158. So we are going to try to match that and see which bike I'm actually faster at today here at Buttonwillow. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy probably a talkless vlog, more of a riding vlog today, because I want to concentrate and get you guys some good lap times. But let's head out on the 22 BMW S1000RR and let's see what we can do here at Buttonwillow. All right, guys, well, Bogna's out on the V4S. I'm on the 22 BMW S1000RR, and stay tuned, because we are going to have a back-to-back test with both the 22 BMW S1000RR, which I'm a bit more comfortable on, and the S1000, or excuse me, the Panigale V4S. Now, this test is for the 2016 BMW S1000RR versus the 22 BMW S1000RR. Now, a lot of you guys had saw my previous videos when I first started the channel, and I had sold my 20 S1000RR in 2 weeks. I didn't like it, and I told everyone my 2016 S1000RR was a way better bike, and I'm going to stick with that. Well, here we are, about almost 3 years later, and here I am back on a 22 S1000RR, and well, I've got a 2016 S1000RR again. So, the last time I was here at Buttonwillow, I ran my best personal time ever here at Buttonwillow. I think 158.58, I think, was the time. Now, I will tell you, well, let's talk about that session when we're on that later on my warm-up lap. Now, we're going to do one warm-up session, and then what we're going to do is we're going to insert my best flyer lap on the 22, and then we'll switch over to the 16 and run that, and then insert the best flyer lap over there and see which one I'm a little bit more comfortable on. I have had 2 sessions on this, getting the suspension dialed in, so been playing with pressures and everything. So I think we're dialed in. I'm feeling good on this thing. So hopefully I'll be able to give you guys some good times, and give you guys some good laps. We do have the Starlane lap timer for Moto D running. So we're going to start our quiet session. I'm going to concentrate and run some sessions behind you or with you guys. Down here are let's sit back, relax, and let's try to get some flyer laps in here and see how we do. cars are checkered. Woo! All right, guys. I think I had sorted it out right at the end there. I think my last lap was a good clean one, and I think I was able to get a good flyer. So I was able to get the screen turned on. I know you guys like this screen. So 56 degrees to the right, 54 degrees to the left. Used a little bit of the traction control and a lot of the brakes. A lot of the brakes. 157.08. Dang it. Almost a 156, you guys. Damn it. Well, that's already a second and a half faster than the 16. So, not too bad. I think I'm going to run this one in one more session because I'm having fun on it. And it's still early. Actually, I didn't spring this up a notch. So, I think after lunch, I'm going to hop on that thing because I'm comfortable on that. But 157.08. And then let's see. Bogner likes to show the predictive time. All right, so best time 157.08, and I did a 158.4, so that one was the time before, and then 157. The last lap was a 157.84, so my best lap was 157.08, and top speed was actually lower, so top speed was 140. So yeah, so not too bad.
What's the predictive one?
What's that? So predictive 156.94. So I think I was on a 156 on that last one. I was moving pretty good. So let's run this thing one more session just because I'm starting to get comfortable. I'm comfortable on that bike. I could probably run out first session on that and do under 2 minutes. So this is feeling really good. Let's check the tires and take a look at what the tires look like. I dropped the PSI, so we're good. Tearing up a little bit, so I'm going to check the PSI on this again. But better than before. And we've got a freshie over here. We had a freshie this morning on this. So let's take you guys. Let's see if I can get a better lap on this. If so, I'll take you guys on that ride. If not, then we're going to head over and see how the 2016 does. All right, you guys. Well, we are off on our hot laps with the 2016 S1000RR. Now, you guys know I've had the 2015 BMW S1000RR. And you know, I always said that that bike was better than my 2020, but with the Brem tune of the in the 22, it's a little better playing field now. But I will say that I feel like this bike is actually faster than the 22 in all of the power. The 22 really picks up, but you feel this rocket launch way before the 9,000 RPMs in the S1000, the 22. The 9,000 RPMs, that thing kicks up on the 22 and just like stupid. So I got some pretty decent laps on that. We're gonna do our little warm-up lap. And then get you guys a couple flyer laps. Hopefully I can get some good times down. I will tell you, I'm a little bit exhausted. It's about 85 degrees today. And I've been on track all day. So we're gonna see how I can do on this thing. give you guys a couple good laps. I was able to put a faster time down than I did last time on this bike on the 22. So let's see if I can at least match the 157.8, I think, that I did on the 22. Enjoy the ride here on the 2016 BMW S1000RR. Well, today just wasn't the day for the 2016. Best I could do was a 2-minute, but the lap that I was on, that I almost went in the back of the dude. First of all, the dude who like fucking just so braked so hard, but I didn't the bike is having a problem downshifting from 4th to 3rd down the straights. I'm having to kind of bump it in. So your dog. So I don't know, wasn't the best session for me on this bike. Definitely had some great sessions on the 2015 or 2022. So can't win them all. Yeah, that's just an unfortunate session, and probably only have one more session in, and that's to ride the Panigale V4S. So yeah, let's do a little outro and see what we think of the 2016 versus the 2022. All right, guys. Well, there you go. Our 2022 BMW S1000RR and our 2016 BMW S1000RR. Now, Today I'm gonna give it to the the 22 S1000RR. I did run faster laps on it, but I will give it a little bit of, give me a little bit of credit because I ran most of the morning on that and got really comfortable on that. I hopped on that bike for one session and 2 minutes hopping on one for, you know, one session is not bad, but I don't know, I enjoy them both actually. They both actually ran really, really well today. Both on the Michelin Power GP Cups, or the Cup 2s. So real nice tires, we really like them. But thank you guys for sticking around, do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is gonna give you future notification of future content like the all-new 2022 BMW S1000RR up against the all-new 2022 Ducati Panigale V4. So stick around for that video. But yeah, today goes to the 22, which is hard to say because you know how much I love this bike. But today, this bike just worked for me. So thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you next video. Bye, guys.